Welcome Lesson 3.1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to identify fake profiles on social media. Fake accounts are everywhere, and they are often used for scams, spreading misinformation, or manipulating conversations. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what warning signs to look for. Our goal here is simple: to train your eye. Instead of scrolling blindly, you'll start observing patterns. You'll learn practical strategies to identify suspicious accounts and protect yourself from online deception. Overview of fake profiles. Fake profiles are designed to look real at first glance. They may pretend to be ordinary users, public figures, or even organizations. But if you slow down and examine them carefully, you'll usually find clues that reveal their true nature. Understanding these clues is your first line of digital defense. Recent account creation. One of the easiest things to check is when the account was created. Many fake profiles are newly created because platforms regularly remove suspicious accounts. If you see an account posting strong opinions or promotional content but it was created just days or weeks ago, that's a red flag. Always take a moment to check the account history. No real profile photo. A profile photo tells you a lot. If the account has no photo, a generic silhouette, or a stolen-looking image, you should be cautious. Real users typically use personal photos or consistent branding. Fake accounts often avoid real images to hide their identity. Strange username patterns. Usernames can also reveal important clues. Random letters, excessive numbers, or strange combinations like John45879234XYZ often indicate automated or fake accounts. While not every unusual username is fake, patterns like these should encourage you to look deeper before trusting the account. Post and follower imbalance. Another warning sign is an imbalance between posts and followers. If an account has hundreds of posts but very few followers, or thousands of followers with almost no engagement, something may be off. Authentic accounts usually show natural growth and interaction. Aggressive or spam behavior. Pay attention to the tone of the content. Fake profiles often post aggressive political content, extreme opinions, or repetitive spam messages. Their goal is usually to provoke reactions, spread misinformation, or push a certain agenda. When you notice this pattern, avoid engaging and report if necessary. Combining multiple red flags. It's important to understand that one red flag alone doesn't always confirm a fake account. But when you see multiple warning signs together, a new account, strange username, no real photo, aggressive posts, the risk increases significantly. Always evaluate profiles as a whole rather than focusing on just one detail. Let's recap. Be cautious of recently created accounts. Look for authentic profile photos. Examine usernames carefully. Check the balance between posts and followers. And pay attention to aggressive or spam behavior. Most importantly, combine these observations before making a judgment. Digital awareness is not about paranoia, it's about informed caution. Staying alert helps protect your information and strengthens your online safety.